TikTok has become one of the most talked about social media platforms in the world, with over 1.8 billion monthly active users as of 2025. TikTok's biggest success comes from its short video format. Most videos on TikTok are less than 3 minutes long, with many being just 15 to 60 seconds. This makes it very easy for people to watch when they have a few minutes to spare. People can watch TikTok during their lunch break, while waiting for the bus, or between other activities. The short format works perfectly for today's busy world. People don't always have time to watch long videos on other platforms. With TikTok, they can see many different videos in just a few minutes. The app gives users an endless scroll of content, so they can keep watching video after video without getting bored. Each video is quick and entertaining, which keeps people coming back for more. The short videos also match how people's attention spans work today. Research shows that people's attention spans are getting shorter because of technology. TikTok understood this and created content that fits perfectly with how people want to consume media. Users can quickly decide if they like a video or want to move on to the next one. This instant gratification keeps people engaged and makes them want to keep scrolling through more content. TikTok's algorithm is one of the smartest systems ever created for social media. It learns what each user likes by watching their behavior on the app. The algorithm looks at which videos you watch completely, which ones you like, share, or comment on, and even which ones you skip quickly. It uses all this information to show you more videos that you will probably enjoy. The For You page, FYP, is where the smart algorithm shows its power. Unlike other social media platforms that mainly show content from people you follow, TikTok's FYP shows videos from anyone that the algorithm thinks you will like. This means you can discover new creators and content that matches your interests, even if you never search for them. The algorithm is so good at understanding what people want that it can create different experiences for each user. Two people using TikTok will see completely different content based on their personal interests. This personalization makes people feel like the app was made just for them. The algorithm keeps getting better as it learns more about each user, making the app more addictive and engaging over time. One of the most exciting things about TikTok is that regular people can become famous overnight. The platform has made many ordinary users into stars with millions of followers. Unlike traditional media where you need connections or money to become famous, TikTok gives everyone an equal chance to go viral. The algorithm doesn't care how many followers you have when it decides which videos to promote. A video from someone with 0 followers can get millions of views if it's entertaining or interesting enough. This has created hope for many people who want to share their talents with the world. TikTok has shown that fame is now possible for anyone with creativity and good content. Many TikTok stars started as regular people with regular jobs. Charli D'Amelio was a high school student when she became TikTok's most followed creator. Khaby Lame was working in a factory before he became the most followed person on TikTok. These success stories inspire millions of other users to try creating their own content, hoping they might be the next viral sensation. TikTok is designed to be very simple and easy to use. When you download the app, you can start watching videos immediately without any complicated setup. The interface is clean and simple, with just a few buttons that are easy to understand. You can share, comment, and follow creators with just one tap. Creating videos on TikTok is also surprisingly easy. The app has built-in editing tools that help users make professional-looking videos without any special skills. You can add music, effects, filters, and text to your videos using simple tools. The app also has features like duets and stitches that let you interact with other people's content in creative ways. The mobile-first design makes TikTok perfect for smartphones. Everything is designed to work well on a small screen with touch controls. Users can swipe up and down to see new videos, making navigation feel natural and effortless. The app works the same way whether you're 13 or 80 years old, which has helped attract users of all ages. Music plays a huge part in TikTok's success. The app has partnerships with record labels that give users access to millions of songs for free. Users can add popular music to their videos, which makes the content more engaging and fun to watch. Many songs have become popular because of TikTok, and the app has become an important platform for music discovery. The sound features go beyond just music. TikTok allows users to record original sounds, use sound effects, and even use audio from other videos. This creates a culture where sounds become trends. When one person uses particular sound or music in a creative way, thousands of other users might use the same sound to create their own versions. This sharing of audio creates connections between different videos and users. The audio features also make content more accessible. Users can enjoy TikTok even when they can't look at the screen closely, like when they're doing other activities. The combination of visual and audio content makes videos more memorable and shareable. Many people remember TikTok videos by their sounds, and hearing a familiar TikTok sound in real life often brings back memories of videos they've seen. TikTok has content for every possible interest and hobby. Whether you like cooking, dancing, sports, pets, comedy, education, or anything else, you can find videos about it on TikTok. The platform has created small communities around different interests, so users can find content that matches their specific hobbies and passions. This variety means that TikTok appeals to people of all ages and backgrounds. While it started as an app mainly for young people, older adults have joined because they found content that interests them. Parents find parenting tips, gardeners find plant care advice, and professionals find career-related content. The diversity of content has helped TikTok grow beyond its original teenage audience. The algorithm helps users discover new interests they never knew they had. Someone might start by watching dance videos, but end up learning about science experiments or cooking recipes. This discovery aspect keeps the app fresh and exciting. Users never know what new topic or hobby they might discover next, which encourages them to keep using the app regularly. TikTok has attracted many famous celebrities and influencers, which has increased its popularity. Major stars like Will Smith, The Rock, and Justin Bieber regularly post content on TikTok. When celebrities join a platform, their fans often follow, bringing millions of new users to the app. Celebrities use TikTok differently than other social media platforms. Instead of posting perfect, professional content, they share fun, casual videos that show their personality. This makes them seem more relatable and human to their fans. Celebrities often participate in the same trends and challenges as regular users, which creates a sense of community where everyone is participating in the same activities. The presence of celebrities also validates TikTok as an important platform. When major stars take TikTok seriously, it signals to other people that the app is worth their time and attention. Celebrity participation in TikTok trends often helps those trends spread even faster, creating viral moments that capture global attention and bring new users to platform. TikTok has created a truly global community where people from different countries can share their cultures and experiences. Users can discover content from around the world, learning about different languages, foods, traditions, and ways of life. This global aspect makes TikTok feel bigger and more diverse than platforms that mainly show content from your own country. The app automatically translates many captions and provides subtitles for videos in different languages. This makes content accessible to people who speak different languages. Trends that start in one country often spread worldwide, creating shared experiences across different cultures. Dance challenges, cooking videos, and comedy formats travel across borders, creating global moments of connection. This global reach has made TikTok an important platform for cultural exchange. Young people especially enjoy seeing how their peers in other countries live, dress, eat, and entertain themselves. The app has helped break down barriers between different cultures and created understanding between people who might never meet in real life, but can connect through shared interests and humor. TikTok has many interactive features that make users feel involved rather than just passive viewers. The duet feature lets users create videos alongside existing content, allowing them to respond, add to, or react to other people's videos. The stitch feature lets users use parts of other videos in their own content, creating conversations and building on ideas. Comments on TikTok are more engaging than on other platforms. Users often leave creative, funny, or thoughtful comments that become part of the entertainment. The heart-shaped like button is satisfying to press, and users can double-tap anywhere on a video to like it. These small interactions add up to make users feel more connected to the content and creators they enjoy. Live streaming on TikTok allows real-time interaction between creators and their audiences. Viewers can send virtual gifts, ask questions, and chat with creators during live broadcasts. These interactive features make TikTok feel more like a community than just a place to watch videos. Users feel like they're participating in conversations and experiences rather than just consuming content. TikTok continuously adds new features and updates that keep the platform fresh and exciting. The company regularly introduces new editing tools, effects, and creative options that give users more ways to express themselves. These updates keep longtime users interested and attract new users who want to try the latest features. The platform has expanded beyond just video sharing to include shopping features, longer video formats, and enhanced live streaming options. TikTok Shop allows users to buy products directly through the app, making it a complete entertainment and shopping experience. The company has also improved the desktop version of the app, making it easier to use TikTok on computers and tablets. TikTok's willingness to experiment and change has kept it ahead of competitors. While other social media platforms have tried to copy TikTok's success, TikTok continues to innovate and improve. The company listens to user feedback and regularly rolls out features that users have requested. This responsiveness to user needs and continuous improvement has helped TikTok maintain its position as the world's most popular short video platform.